Hi, pretty boy. Oh. Hey, pretty boy. Hopefully the lighting's good down here. I can't tell. Hi, pretty baby. Oh, everybody's got to come visit Mom. There she is, yeah. Mommy's by the door. Where'd you go? Oh, come here. I know you're going to cry. Getting out of the... No, getting out of the crate. Shh, Fritzy. Oh, you're okay. Mommy's got you. There you go. Climb back in. Miss Crier. Were you crying? Hi, sorry. Hi, sorry, pretty girl. Make you cry. Oh, no escaping. Come on.